What will happen to the long-awaited BYD blade battery when it faces the crushing of heavy trucks? This year, the much-anticipated BYD blade battery was finally installed on the car, and it became the best partner with the body integration technology of the new model seal. The editor learned that as early as 2020, BYD's blade battery passed China's most stringent acupuncture test without catching fire. In terms of battery safety performance, BYD officials confidently shouted the slogan "Never ignite spontaneously." Today, the editor got a video from BYD official and translated it. The video will show you what will happen to BYD's blade battery when faced with a 50-ton heavy truck. Will the blade battery survive this test? Let's take a look together. The magic of structure. First of all, BYD's battery system expert, Dr. Zhao Yonglu from Peking University, and host Li Qi, showed us a simple 180 cm big man stampede test. There is no doubt that the battery is not deformed in the slightest. Why do blade batteries have such high pressure resistance? Because the blade battery uses the wisdom of nature, the design of the honeycomb structure. The female doctor used thin aluminum foil to rearrange the combination, so that the blade battery is enough to support the weight of a person. Such a honeycomb structure design can also be seen in hardcore industrial fields such as aircraft floors and spacecraft landing compartments. The most amazing thing is that higher stiffness and strength can be achieved just by changing the structure. There is also a chopstick principle that all Chinese children know. One chopstick is gently broken, 10 chopsticks are firmly held in a ball. The blade battery uses the honeycomb structure and the chopstick principle very cleverly. Together with the tray and the upper cover, a honeycomb-like structure is formed, which greatly improves the strength of the overall structure of the battery and can withstand strong rolling and impact. How much force can it carry? 50 tons is a little heavier than an A320 airliner. The 50-ton heavy-duty truck rollover test is about to begin. Target. 1. The battery has no obvious deformation, no leakage, no fire. 2. The core monitoring data are basically consistent before and after. Nothing has changed. The data has not changed. No obvious deformation. Challenge: put this crushed blade battery back on the car again. Can it still be used normally? Seal. Body integration with BYD technology. CTB. Compatible partner, blade battery. The previous power battery, baby, still needs to be taken care of. The current blade battery, adults, not only can take care of themselves, but also take care of others. After the crushed blade battery was installed, the seal started normally tilting. No fires, no leaks, test done. Good battery manufacturing requires high purity solvents. NMP solvent is a good partner for lithium-ion batteries. NMP and Li-ion battery. Blade battery and CTB technology. Perfect.